Milkotek HOMMAK started its production life as a family-owned business to serve the dairy, food, beverage, chemistry, petrochemistry, cosmetics, biotechnology, and medical industries in 2006. It moved to its new factory and doubled up its production as of August 2014. Milkotek HOMMAK's new factory, located at the Yazıbaşı district in Torbalı, Izmir, is established over an outdoor area of 7,000 square meters and an indoor area of 2,400 square meters, and has an architecture eligible for extension. State-of-the-art technology techniques are employed at the factory, having a large production area with modern offices and guest welcoming spaces. Satisfying the requirements of all the companies operating in the dairy, food, beverage, chemistry, petrochemistry, cosmetics, biotechnology, and medical industries in Turkey, and thus becoming a leading business concern, Milkotek HOMMAK has been displaying development in line with its R&D, designing, and product development efforts from the date of its incorporation to the present day. It exports to many European countries as the United Kingdom, Germany, Spain, Bulgaria, Romania, Ukraine, as well as Netherlands, Georgia, India, Egypt, and the Middle Eastern countries, Canada, and South America. It is one of the company's priority targets to make the HOMMAK Homogenizers a worldwide brand. The company is now exporting 50% of its current production. It merchandises the remaining production in the domestic market. HOMMAK Homogenizers have taken their place among its equals as one of the best brands all over the world. It aims at reducing the margin of error down to zero by adopting it as a principle to hire qualified employees in production, as well as employing specialized industrial and mechanical engineers in its organization. All operations are carried out within the company's own organization, starting from the initial stages of modeling and designing to the final stages of testing and packaging. State-of-the-art CNC machines are used in operations, and service is provided above the quality standards at the cutting, bending, welding, and assembling stages. Adopting quality and durability as its principle, Milkotek HOMMAK has high priority goals like enhancing the customer satisfaction, achieving perfection, and prioritizing health and safety at all times. It aims at being open to innovation and being in a continuous development while maintaining its reliability and successfully keeping its dynamic and fast operating performance. It is the company's base objective to be a solution partner for those companies it does business with.